Welcome to Beyond the Finish Line, Navigating the Journey After Residency. It's a podcast for physicians just emerging from medical training, as well as those who find themselves somewhere down the line, wondering what comes next in their lives. I'm Dr. Joe Sherman, general pediatrician and physician professional development coach. So you finally made it. You got into medical school, graduated, finished residency and fellowship, perhaps, and passed the boards. You've reached the finish line. Now you're a practicing physician. Now, whether your journey so far has been a sprint, going straight from undergraduate to medical school to 3-year residency, like me, or if it's been more of like a steeplechase with stops and starts, trips and falls, overcoming many obstacles to finally get to the end. There are no more finish lines, no templates or tracks guiding you to your next destination. There's no one telling you, you must do this, you must do that, really, with the rest of your life. So now what? Well, most of us start practicing medicine without the tools we really need to create the life and career we truly want for ourselves and maybe for our families. Most of us just continue along the path that others created for us, maybe early in our childhood and over the many years of medical training. So as a result, we can eventually find ourselves lost or stuck in a career that we never really wanted in the first place, or don't know what to do about it. Well, this is what happened to me, not just once, but several times, beginning right after I finished residency. I finished my pediatric residency in 1988. I knew I wanted to go back to my hometown of Washington, D.C. and work as a general pediatrician somewhere. But I had no other health professionals in my family, and definitely no doctors. So I took a job in a private practice located not too far away from my childhood home. What I didn't realize was that now I was pediatrician to the rich and famous of DC, taking care of the children of senators and diplomats. It was a terrible fit for me. I became restless and anxious, confused. I almost left medicine altogether before I even really got started in my career. Fortunately, I had a mentor who invited me to volunteer in an inner city clinic located in a family shelter. He also encouraged me to get the help I needed to deal with that challenging transition from residency into practice, as well as a lot of other issues which I had put on the back burner during my medical training. So instead of quitting, I found a path that was a much better fit for me, bringing pediatric care to underserved children and teaching pediatric residents in a community setting. If this story resonates at all with you, you're in the right place. If you're looking for some guidance on how to avoid finding yourself in a similar crisis, you're also in the right place. If you're a family member or friend of a physician who needs a bit of direction, I welcome you also. I'm here to help you follow a path you create for yourself, a path that emerges from self-awareness, core values, and life balance, a path that leads to thriving, not just surviving. And I'll be joined by guests who are experts at navigating this journey. Some are other physicians who have stumbled across the finish line, lost their way at times, and had to reach out for help in charting a new course that will work better for them. Others are experts at helping we physicians make the practical decisions which go into finding the best working situation for ourselves and our families. So, some of the topics we'll be discussing: knowing your why as a physician. That's really important from the outset. Identifying your core values and using them to make difficult career choices. Knowing what factors go into choosing the best practice setting for you. How to have difficult conversations with employers, coworkers, patients. How to keep work at work and be more present at home with your family and your friends. How to refill your physical, emotional, and spiritual tanks. The bottom line is caring for yourself as much as you care for those you treat. So, I invite you to join me as we navigate this challenging journey together on Beyond the Finish Line, Navigating the Journey After Residency.